Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Let us continue Unit 3. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Suresh, is it infectious? Teacher, no. When a mosquito bites a person who has been infected with the dengue virus, the mosquito can become a carrier of the virus. If it bites someone else, that person can be infected with dengue fever. The virus can't spread directly from person to person. Suresh, how can we avoid this, sir? Teacher, it's easy. Keep your surroundings clean. Use an insect repellent. Cover sleep areas with netting. Avoid going outdoors at dusk and dawn when mosquitoes are most active. Dirty water in the gutters and the ditches are the breeding places for mosquitoes. Students, we come to school and we don't find time to clean them up. Teacher, you don't have school on Sundays. You can spare some time on Sundays to clean them up. Students, good idea, sir. We will make sure that we keep our surroundings clean. Teacher, that's good. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Students, cleanliness is next to godliness. Students, let us go in detail now. Suresh is asking the teacher whether dengue is infectious. So the teacher says, now the word infectious, what does it mean? That means a disease that can be passed from person to person. So the teacher replies, no. When a mosquito bites a person who has been infected with the dengue virus, the mosquito can become a carrier of the virus and the disease cannot spread directly from person to person. So the Suresh asked the teacher, how can we avoid this, sir? So the teacher gives them some measures. The first one is to keep your surroundings clean. Next, to use an insect repellent. Cover sleep areas with netting. What is repellent, student? It is a chemical substance that is used to keep insects away. Next is avoid going outdoors at dusk and dawn when mosquitoes are most active. Dusk is the time just before night and dawn is the time just before sunrise. So you have to avoid going out during this time. Next, dirty water in the gutters and the ditches are the breeding places for mosquitoes. Gutters, what is the gutter, students? It's the part at the side of a road where water collects and flows away. Ditches are the places where there is a long narrow holes dug at the side of a field or road to hold or remove unwanted water. The word breeding means it's a place where animals or insects give birth to their young ones in large number. So we should see that our surrounding is clean. There is no stagnant water where the mosquitoes give birth to their young ones. So always remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. It refers to the idea that people have a moral duty to keep themselves and their homes clean. I hope it's clear, students. Thank you very much. Read the lesson 3 times.